Guys, welcome you to my channel. Right now, I'm gonna react to Unite, and it's been a while that I reacted to them. The last time was, I remember, is Bad Cupid, and it's been so long that I reacted to them. Aviator also, I remember. I think I reacted also on that on my previous channel. But right now, I am gonna react to Waterfall. It's been uploaded hours ago. I really don't know that there's an upload and there will be a comeback of Unite. And I'm really excited, guys. So I'm gonna rock right now in 3, 2, 1, and go. Oh, wow. This is refreshing, by the way. Oh, the usual. Is this really the outfit in college? Oh, wow. The vocals. Oh, this is an old school era. I mean that timeline. Now I see why they're wearing that kind of outfit. Oh wow. Now I see. Yeah. This is good. Hey. Their visual is suited in here. Hey. Oh. What? How many changes do you want here? Beautiful. Wow. Yes. I love the entire vibe of this one. It is so old school in a way, refreshed. The ocean. There are really many, you know. Oh, the beat! It's so summer. I feel like we're starting the edge of summer on this year. I like that. Splash, splash, splash. I love everything. Oh, Samsung old school beeper. I don't know what's beeper, I think. Yeah, so post credit. I just clicked the post credit. I am so sorry. So just playing if it's not already done. I am done reacting to Waterfall by Unite. And even though it's been a while that I reacted to them, this song is really a refreshing one to me. The song is so good. I really love the entire vibe. It is so summery, old school. I really like it. It felt like 90s and 80s. Not 80s, but 90s in a way. My dog! Yo, doggy! Doggy! Why you're so noisy there? My dog is so noisy. It just shocked me to the way because there's other dog outside. I really love the song. I really love everything. I feel like this song is the starting point of summer in this year, and I'm really hoping to see more about them. I really love the rapping. I really love how it transcend each part is so interesting. I really love the outfit. I really love everything. You know, I can even describe it. It is so refreshing to the way I felt like I'm hearing a song like this one. Uh, because I had a lot of reactions and listened to a lot of summary songs concept, but this one it is really interest me to the way how it was composed. It is not a usual summer vibe song. It is more likely a new summer vibe that transcends something new. It's so good. It's so I couldn't even describe it in a word, but it is so good. Yeah. So I am done reacting to Unite Waterfall. So I hope if you want to say something that is really if they will upload more. So just comment on the section below if you want me to react on that. So thank you guys for watching and I hope reaction videos. So guys, thank you.